Alright guys, today we're taking a look at the WE Knives 608P frame lock knife. This is an interesting one. It's got pretty good ergonomics actually. Looks like it wouldn't, I guess, but it holds really nicely in the hand. So, the overall length on this guy is 9 inches, and the blade length is 4 inches of S35 VN steel. And as you can see, it's got a bit of a recurve with a nice large belly in it. The frame lock has a stainless steel lock bar insert, and it's got that beautiful drop shot action we all know and love from WE Knives. 5 inches for the handle length, so it's definitely a large knife. Here's a clothespin for size comparison. Excuse me, a tactical clothespin for size comparison. There you have it. 5.31 ounces, and it does have a pocket clip for tip-up right-handed carry. Now, you can get it in this color with a black blade or a stonewash blade. You can get it in this color with a stonewash blade or a black blade. And there's a couple other options, but I don't have any of those up here right now, unfortunately. But anyways, guys, go ahead and buy this knife at bladehq.com. This is the WE Knives 608P.